Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
About to go meet up right now. I'm gonna show y'all what he got done. And yeah, we about to race. I would pull the G out, but I'm pretty sure he's probably gonna smoke the G. And the G's still not even working anyway, so I'm gonna pull the beam out. And it should be a good race, just based off, you know, weight ratio and power ratio. He told me he's pushing close to 370 wheel. The beam got 445 horsepower, so that's probably like 400 wheel. And the beam weighs probably like 1,500 to 2,000 more pounds than the Honda. So we gonna see how it's gonna do and whatnot. But yeah. So he pulling out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And my backup camera blurring. I said Camry. I got the ambient going on through the car. Oh yeah, ready to tap in with him. Your shit probably what like 3,500? 38.
With us in it probably like a little more, but yeah,
right more, yeah.
I think 33 and nothing.
Probably 30, okay.
Yeah,
And
all that.
That shit like 53.
Dang.
So yeah, so I was thinking it's gonna be a good race when it comes to the ratio.
I didn't know you did.
Yeah, real shit.
You got a radar?
No, I don't. You do? Nah, I don't. We should
I'm
be
trying to
good.
go crazy though, like a 40-60.
40-60 road, get like 5 runs in, going that way, coming back, and then we out for real. Oh. Yeah, that's a bad. But
I can't
want
do no, huh?
What?
I can't do no digs.
That's fine. That's fine.
I'm front wheel drive.
You took the spinner, yeah. I'm ready on. You want to go ahead and tell him everything you got done?
Yeah. So
that's my boy Roy.
Let me pull up the.
So he's got the red guts. Oh, you put what's that on there? Brembo brakes?
Brembo brakes.
There you go.
That was the last thing I did, honestly.
Okay. You put Brembos on this shit.
Oh, we got a full boat on. I got the Type R turbo.
Okay.
I got the ethanol sensor, but I'm not running ethanol.
Okay. Well, E50 or E30?
It's been E30, but I'm not tuning on it.
Okay.
I don't even have any ethanol.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the next thing I'm doing.
Oh yeah.
Pushing around, I think 368 on the dyno.
Okay, 360 on dyno. That shit's 445 horsepower. So wheel, that's probably like close to 400. So this is gonna be a good race for sure.
I think regardless, whoever wins, it's gonna be close.
Yeah, it's gonna be
It's gonna be like head to head.
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah.
And if you race the G, you probably gonna smoke the G. I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, once I first got this car, I think even stock, it probably would have been like neck and neck to the G.
Okay.
But the G probably would have had the top end.
Her top end, right. I raced one tuned, but I don't think it got everything that you got done to it.
It was stock before. That thing, it felt like it was moving until I got everything else.
Everything else. Yeah, that shit just add. Yeah, that's a bad. That's a bad. Yeah, that's a bad. I'm gonna take a picture. Let me go ahead and get my thumbnail too.
So you think 795?
Yeah.
Up there to the park and back?
So.
You know the Ricestown Park? Not literally to the park.
Regional?
End of the highway? Yeah, the
regional park? Okay, yeah.
That's what I was thinking, but I'm following.
Okay, we can do that, or what I usually do, just so we come back in time. For real. Good luck. I see it. He got the spoiler and everything, the aftermarket. Yeah, his shit done up. Damn. I can hear it. What it sound like? Okay. Few little pops. That's about. We out. Yes sir, y'all. And make sure y'all can see a good angle. Let's go. So y'all, he said he's running 368 on the dyno. Well, that's pretty high for real. That's pretty high. My tire reset, still trying to reset. Fuck the tire reset. Tire's good. Cancel. Put that thing right in sport mode. Sport displays. Hope y'all can see everything going on. Put it down a little bit so y'all can hear. So y'all go ahead, comment down below who y'all think gonna win the race. 445 V8 twin turbo X5, probably like 400 wheel horsepower. He got 368 wheel horsepower, 4 silly turn. Yeah, we got. Oh, you. Oh, this shit moving on me. Damn. I ain't know his shit was that fast. And them Hondas get up. Them Hondas get up. I wish we can do it dead, cause it seems like he gonna pull on me top end because of the rate ratio. Yeah, his shit would definitely smoke the G. Cause y'all seen it in my last video, or in my previous video, the X5 versus my man's G, the white G, and I was torturing him top end at 130 in Mexico, of course. Damn. I love the little tail lights. Aftermarket tail lights are insane. Like those. Damn, I thought it was gonna be a way better race. I'm glad I ain't bring the G out here, cause I would have got super smoked. I already just got smoked up. Damn, them Honda boys. Y'all Honda boys a little too fast for me. I lost to a Honda this summer too. I think it was the same 10th gen. His shit was super fast. He was on, oh, she bopped me now, okay. His shit was super fast. I think he was on E85. I don't know if he was on E85, E30. What it was. Yeah, but this Honda hard though. I fought with his shit. Nigga smoking my shit. That's an S5 right there?
Yeah.
Damn, why your shit so fast though?
Oh, I'm trying to get ethanol tuned soon, bro.
Yeah, this shit gonna be super crazy. I raced the 10th gen Honda too. I think he was on E30. He smoked my shit but by like 10 cars.
For real?
My G.
He was stock turbo?
I think so.
Yeah,
I'm not 100%.
He push around like 330.
330, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
But if I put on ethanol, it's like, it should be hitting 400.
400 wheel.
400.
So yeah, you gonna be keeping up with scat packs and all that.
I know, I'm trying to race a King.
He bluffing?
Huh?
He bluffing?
I'm bluffing.
Wow.
He told me hit him up when I'm ready, but
there's no,
yeah,
yeah.
I don't got time, but
That's a bet. Alright.
I'm with it.
That's a bet, come on. That shit took off on me, y'all. Damn. My shit slow. Slow ass fucking V8. I'm gonna do a pull for y'all. Knock this shit back, yeah. I love these high beams, y'all. Watch this. Damn. And it turned with the steering wheel. Y'all probably see it turning back and forth. That's on you. Yeah. Yeah, he just gonna, yeah, that boost is gonna kick in. He just gonna fly past me. I tried to get the hit too. I tried to take off first. Go ahead, get one for the Instagram. We go ahead and get one more for the Instagram. We can get what? We can get like one more up front. Yes. Yeah. 60 roll right here, y'all. And I'm on the boys fast as shit. He just hit a $140 on my ass that quick. Okay, Roy. Okay. Yes, sir. Good runs. Much respect. I'll take that. I'll take the L. The 60 was a little better. 60 was a little better. I'll definitely take that. Quick little runs, y'all. Quick little video. Want to tap in with y'all. With some more content. Try and squeeze it out, you know what I mean, while I'm out here in town. Go ahead and turn this light on. Turn all the lights on. Go ahead and just squeeze it out while I'm out here in town and whatnot. You know, but yeah, it was good runs with the Honda. Got like three, 4 runs in. There wasn't no point of doing it anymore because I'm gonna get smoked up every time, it seemed like. So, yeah. If we could have did a dig, that probably would have been the best bet for me. But he don't hook from zero because he front wheel drive and all that. So yeah, oh, excuse me. Hope y'all enjoyed the comments. I mean, what? Hope y'all enjoyed the comments. Hope y'all enjoyed the content. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Go ahead and catch up to him real quick. All right, bro. Good? Yeah, we good. Good runs, bro. Be safe, dummy. That's tight. That's yeah, I'm right. Yeah, he just took my ass straight to GAPPED and he going home and I'm going home. Yeah, I mean, but shout out to my boy Roy. I ain't seen him in some years. I feel like, damn, this is high school for real. Shout out to my boy Roy. Great build, great build. Can't wait till my G get fixed up so I can tune my shit. I'm trying to rerun it. You know what I mean? But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share it to a friend, and hit that bell down below. I'ma holler at y'all later. Peace.